Well, how's it going, folks? Welcome back to the channel. As I've mentioned before, this channel is the #1 for bringing you firsts to do with RC racing in Northern Ireland. Probably because there is no real other channel that does RC racing or covers RC racing in Northern Ireland. But anyway, today we were at Northern Ireland Model Car Club, and for the first time that I'm aware of, we actually got to race short course trucks. Now, for the first time out, it was a wee bit messy. Didn't really know what we were doing, but it will get better. Watch this space. I have another few videos to put out, covering a lot of racing over the weekend. With 2 days, we had a day at Northern Ireland Model Car Club, and we had a day at NIMCC racing 1/8 rally cross buggies. But I don't want to bore you with putting everything out all at once, so I'll put a few videos out, but this one's primarily the short course trucks. So stay tuned, guys, and keep an eye during the week for other updates and other videos being uploaded. But I hope you enjoy this one. To say this is the first for Northern Ireland actual short course truck racing, and if it's something you'd like to see more of, leave me a comment in the comments section and let me know. Anyway, enjoy the video. Well, folks, welcome back to the channel. We're over at NIMCC, Northern Ireland Model Car Club today, and it's a first for here. We're actually having short course truck races for the first, so we've a lot of ready to runs and a couple of Teknos out on track. But stay tuned, guys, should be a bit of fun today. Here we have our pit table of Ellie hard at work with our chum Ray. Hello, Ray. There's famous Lee.
Oh, aye.
Cog and Billet, he's the man that can.
Or the can't.
They can't.
Or doesn't want to.
There's a few of the other short course trucks, the Arrma Sentons. What are they running on? 2 or 3S now?
It's 2S.
And is that the brushless one, or was that?
That one's brushed. Johnny was running the brushless upgrade. But that one's brushed. That one's stock Senton, and that one's the BLX with the brushless.
Oh, that's the other one. That's the BLX there, right?
And has he got one?
So there you go, folks. A bit of a first for us here, but nobody ever really does short course truck racing over here. But as I say, there's I think 1, 2, possibly 3 Tekno short course trucks, and the rest of the Arrma Sentons. A mixture of ready to run, brushed, and some upgraded the BLX with the brushless systems in them. So join us on track, see how they get on, and see you soon, folks.
You actually starting from there, Tim?
Yeah.
You want to miss the carnage in the first corner?
I would like to miss it as well, Lee.
Last time we missed the last.
Beep. It's always you, Lee. It's always you.
Park on the right.
Fuck's sake, Lee.
Why are you taking shortcuts? Johnny gone across something.
Yes, we're short course trucks.
Race order after 1 minute. 4, 3, 6, 1. Later on lap 2. identified as missing. Reported after 2 minutes. 4, 2, 6, 1, 3. Leader on lap 4. Race order after 3 minutes, 1 second. 4, 6, 2, 1, 3. Leader on lap 6.
That was close, Els.
Race order after 4 minutes, 1 second. 4, 6, 2, 1, 3. Leader on lap 8. Attention. Drivers 42. The next race will start in approximately 7 minutes. Attention. Drivers 42. The next race will start in approximately 7 minutes.
Don't know how we dodged each other there, Lee.
I'd least surprised as well.
Were you trying to get me? That was good crack. They are fun, aren't they?
You were just too far ahead. You need to slow down. Some more bike.
What do you want me to start a lap behind?
I think you did lap me here, didn't you? But yeah.
Like 7 times, I think.
I'm going to have to work on setup and that now. You've clearly been practicing.
I can't see nothing. Did I win?
Yeah.
9 laps? 8 laps? Yeah. Best
Johnny's
lap
on 8 as well.
32. Average lap 33. Something. Like I'm only a second off buggy time in that.
Are you?
Mm-hmm.
Seat 1, buggy, reeling, round 3 race over.
It's a class looking shell you have there, Lee.
Seat 1, buggy, reeling. Please be ready to go to your marking.
Do you know something that nearly looks like Tim's RC surgery shell?
No, it's not.
That's not, sure.
It's a cheap imitation.